Hello viewers, welcome to a new video, and I'm looking at a beautiful old-timer, a beautiful Jaguar XK140 Head Coupé. A bit further in the video, viewers, you will see how this car sounds and how it drives. But for now, let's check out the exterior, check out the engine, and let's see how well this thing is fully restored. It's insane. So look at this beautiful car, viewers. This thing is looking insane. Let's go through the specs, go through the interior, and let's drive it. If we start with the engine, we have a 3.4 liter straight 6 engine, and it has dual overhead camshafts. And then you can see right there, Jaguar Type C. Thanks to this Type C cylinder head, it increased the power to 220 horsepower in total for this beautiful car. And very important, viewers, this car has a matching number. That means it's the original engine. Check out this beautiful front end. So everything is being restored. You can see the chrome bumper is fully new, the paint is fully done. And then look at these wheels, all the spokes, everything, the knobs, the screws, everything is fully originally restored. As you can see, a lot of boot space in this car, so you can drive with your top open, your roof open, and take your luggage with you. Every cloth, every fabric is done again. It's cloth and leather, beautifully restored. Let's watch some photos of the full restoration process. You can pause the video if you want to take a closer look and enjoy this process. So from engine to bodywork, to every panel, to every bolt, everything has been removed of this car and everything has been put back together. Now this beautiful project, this beautiful car is for sale. In the link in the description you will find the listing on Autoscout 24 and mobile.de. If you live in Europe, then it's maybe time to make a great and a beautiful investment, because this car is only going up in value. This thing is meant to be driven every day, every Sunday when the sun is out. Take the roof off and enjoy your life in this thing with a beautiful sound you will hear in the end of the video. Unlike some other old-timers, this thing won't give you a headache because it's in perfect condition. I laid out all the pictures of the restoration process of this Jaguar XK140 Head Coupé on the floor, and this is a nice gift for the new owner of the car. So he can have all these pictures. I printed them out, and this is a beautiful history to take with the car. So everything from the engine to the bodywork, and there is a lot of extra pictures. So the new owner will have a car with full documented history. Viewers, thanks a lot for watching. Again, link in the description if you're interested in buying this beautiful Jaguar, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.